everyone, welcome to my Crochet Nook. My name's Linda and today is the 1st of March and that means it's the first Tuesday of the month, so we're up to March's giveaway. And because hopefully the weather is going to get nice, I've got some nice spring coloured yarn for you. So what have we got? We've got, it's ice yarn, self-striping. There's 190 meters, 190 meters, so that's about 200 yards, and it's a 50-gram ball. And as you can see, there's pinks and whites and greens and pinks and that. So I've got 4 of them, so that's 200 grams you've got. So we've got 4 of them. And then, what else have we got? We've got, as always, we've got a nice little notebook. We all need our notebooks in our project bags, don't we? And you've got a 4mm hook. Oops. A pen to go with your notepad. And you've got a little tube with a couple of tapestry hooks in, and you've also got a little tub of 10 stitch markers. So this is Open Whale Wild. I will pay for the package to get to you, your price to get to you, but any customs or that's due in at your end, that's entirely up to you to pay. What else? You've got to be 18 years or older, and you must be a subscriber of my channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment, and the word that I want in the comment is spring, S-P-R-I-N-G. I'll put it here, spring. And I think that's all. Anything else will be in the description box. So I want to wish you all good luck and take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. Until next time, bye for now.